Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable battery saving on your ACER Chromebook 713 laptop. To turn off battery saver on your laptop, you can either plug in the charging cable, since your laptop cannot use battery saver while charging, or you can also go to the control center in the bottom right corner, then select battery full or basically our battery level, and here you can easily disable the battery saver by switching it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.